When we think about rats and mice, we often picture them scurrying around in the dark, but what happens when they bite? It's a topic that deserves our attention, especially if you have pets or young children at home. First, let's talk about the bite itself. Rat and mouse bites can be surprisingly painful. Their teeth are sharp, and a bite can break the skin, leading to bleeding and swelling. But the real danger lies beyond the immediate injury. Rodents are known carriers of various diseases, including leptospirosis, hantavirus, and even rat bite fever. These diseases can be serious, and in some cases, they can even be life-threatening. If you or someone you know gets bitten, it's crucial to act quickly. Wash the wound thoroughly with soap and water to reduce the risk of infection. After cleaning it, apply an antiseptic and cover it with a bandage. But don't stop there. It's essential to seek medical attention, especially if the bite is deep or if you notice any signs of infection, like redness, swelling, or pus. Doctors may recommend a tetanus shot or antibiotics to prevent further complications. Now, let's discuss prevention. The best way to protect yourself and your loved ones is to keep your home rodent-free. Start by sealing any cracks or holes in walls, floors, and around windows. Remember, mice can squeeze through openings as small as a dime. Keep food stored in airtight containers and clean up crumbs and spills promptly. Regularly check your home for signs of rodent activity, such as droppings or gnaw marks. If you do find evidence of rodents, don't hesitate to call pest control. They have the expertise and tools to handle infestations safely and effectively. And let's not forget about our pets. If you have dogs or cats, keep an eye on them when they're outside. Rodents can bite in self-defense, and a pet's curiosity can lead to dangerous encounters. In conclusion, while rat and mouse bites can be dangerous, being informed and proactive can significantly reduce the risks. Protect yourself and your loved ones by taking the necessary precautions. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to comment below. Your safety matters, and together, we can create a healthier environment for everyone.